The next question, risk is the chance of dash. Option A peril, option B accident, option C loss, and option D event. The correct option is C loss. The next question, peril may leads to dash. Option A risks, option B losses, option C accident, and option D none of this. The correct option is B losses. The next question, risk is dash loss. Option A similar, option B not, option C same as, and option D none of this. The correct option is B losses. Not. Next question, particular risks can also be known as dash. Option A personal, option B fundamental, option C pure, and option D none of this. The correct option is A personal. The next question, if losses occur out of individual events, such risks are dash. A particular, B fundamental, C pure, and D speculative. The correct option is A particular. The next question, a dash risk may result in loss or gain. Option A particular, option B fundamental, option C pure, and option D speculative. The correct option is D speculative. The next question, dash are those occurring due to economic policies of the government. The option A particular, option B fundamental, C dynamic, and D speculative. The correct option is C dynamic. The next question, dash risks are those occurring even if there is no chance in economic policies of the government. Option A static, option B fundamental, option C dynamic, and option D speculative. The correct option is A static. The next question, when financial loss is likely to occur, such risk is known as dash. Option A static, option B financial, option C dynamic, and option D is speculative. The correct option is B financial. The next question, dash guarantee insurance guarantees the employer for any damages or losses resulting from dishonesty of employee. Option A fidelity guarantee insurance, option B cash in transit insurance, C social insurance, and D unemployment insurance. The correct option is A fidelity guarantee insurance. Next question, dash insurance is given financial help to unemployed persons who lost employment due to some uncontrollable reasons. Option A fidelity guarantee insurance, B cash in transit insurance, C social insurance, and D unemployment insurance. The correct option is D unemployment insurance. Next question, dash insurance compensate the insured against loss of money while it is being carried from office to bank or bank to office or branch. Option A fidelity guarantee insurance, option B cash in transit insurance, C social insurance, and D unemployment insurance. The correct option is B cash in transit insurance. Next question, dash is popular among industrial workers. Option A fidelity guarantee insurance, option B cash in transit insurance, option C social insurance, and option D unemployment insurance. The correct option is C social insurance. Next question, dash means or insurance of all the members of a group as a social security measure. Option A fidelity guarantee insurance, B cash in transit insurance, C social insurance, and D unemployment insurance. The correct option is C social insurance. Next question, Dash is the method of transferring a portion of risk to another insurer. Option A, reinsurance. Option B, underinsurance. Option C, double insurance. And option D, none of this. The correct option is A, reinsurance. Next question. Dash is essential for the contracting parties to disclose all material facts relating to the contract. The option: utmost good faith. B, insurable interest. Option C, certainty of the event. And D, none of this. The correct option is A, at, at most good faith. The next question. Dash is the interest in the subject matter of the insurance which is insured. Option A, at most good faith. B, insurable interest. C, certainty of the event. And D, none of this. The correct option is B, insurable interest. The next question. Insurance is the contract of dash. Option A, indemnity. B, surety. C, guarantee. And D, none of this. The correct option is A, indemnity. The next question. Principles of dash refers to the sharing of loss among co-insurers. Option A, indemnity. B, guarantee. C, contribution. And D, none of these. The correct option is contribution. The next question. According to the principle of dash, the insurer is liable only for those losses which are most closely caused by the peril insured against. Option A, contribution. B, guarantee. C, causa proxima. And D, indemnity. The correct option is C, causa proxima. The next question. Stepping into the shoes of the other is applicable to the principle of dash. Option A, causa proxima. B, guarantee. C, subrogation. And D, contribution. The correct option is C, subrogation. The next question. Dash is used in those contracts which guarantee the payment of the certain sum of the money on the happening of specified event. Option A, assurance. B, insurance. C, indemnity. And D, none of this. The correct option is A, assurance. Next question. Dash ensures payment of the sum assured to the policy holder or to his nominee either at the end of the period or on the death of the assured. Option A, endowment assurance. B, whole life plans. C, joint life policy. And D, none of these. The correct option is A, endowment assurance. Next question. Dash is intended to spouses. Option A, whole life policy. B, joint life policy. C, endowment assurance. And D, none of this. The correct option is B, joint life policy. Next question. Group insurance intended to insure a group of people under a single policy called dash. Option A, endowment assurance. B, whole life policy. C, joint life policy. And D, master policy. The correct option is D, master policy. The next question. The proposal for group insurance is called dash. Option A, leader proposal. B, master proposal. C, main proposal. And D, none of this. The correct option is B, master proposal. The next question. GGS means dash. Option A, gratuity group scheme. B, group gratuity scheme. And C, all. And D, none of this. The correct option is B. Next question. GSS means dash. Option A, group superannuation scheme. B, group service scheme. C, gratuity service scheme. And D, none of this. The correct option is A. Next question. ACR means dash. Option A, accountant's confidential report. B, agent's confidential report. C, assessment of confidential report. And D, none of these. The correct option is B. Next question. MHR means dash. Option A, manual hazard report. B, moral hazard report. C, medical hazard report. And D, none of these. The correct option is B, moral hazard report. Next question. Voluntary termination of contract of life insurance is called dash. Option A, returning of policy. B, surrender of policy. C, withdrawal of policy. And D, none of this. The correct option is B, surrender of policy. Next question. The total amount remitted in the form of premium will be the dash of such policy. Option A, surrender value. Option B, paid up value. Option C, surrender cost. And D, none of this. The correct option is B. The next question. Dash applies mathematical and statistical methods to assess the risks in the insurance business. Option A, mathematical science. Option B, behavioral science. C, actual science. And D, none of this. The correct option is C. Next question. FBR refers to dash. Option A, first premium report. B, first premium receipt. C, first proposal report. And D, none of this. The correct option is B. Next question. RPR refers to dash. Option A, renewable premium report. B, renewable payment report. C, renewable premium receipt. And D, none of these. The correct option is C. Next question. Life insurance is a dash contract. Option A, long term. B, short term. C, medium term. And D, none of this. The correct option is A, long term. Next question. In life insurance, the amount of premium depends upon dash. Option A, period of the policy. B, type of the policy. C, age of the insured. And D, repayment capacity of the insured. The correct option is C, age of the insured. The next question. Dash is a plan that is tailor-made for families. Option A, floater health insurance policy. B, group health insurance. C, unit linked health insurance. And D, none of this. The correct option is A, floater health insurance policy. Next question. Low cost policy for employees is provided by dash. Option A, life insurance. B, health insurance. C, group insurance. And D, none of this. The correct option is C. Next question. In marine insurance policies, open policy is also known as dash. A, valued policy. B, time policy. C, unvalued policy. And D, voyage policy. The correct option is C, unvalued policy. Next question. Writing of the policy before its actual maturity is known as dash. Option A, nomination. B, foreclosure. C, surrender. And D, none of this. The correct option is B, foreclosure. Next question. Dash insurance covers many persons under one contract. Option A, public insurance. B, group insurance. C, personal accident insurance. And D, none of this. The correct option is B, group insurance. The next question, dash is the rate at which the central bank rediscounts the bills of the commercial bank. Option A, bank rate policy, B, central bank rate, C, credit rate, and D, none of this. The correct option is A, bank rate policy. Next question, dash is the deliberate attempt by the central bank to influence the volume of the credit available in the country. Option A, OMO, option B, SLR, option C, BRP, and D, none of this. The correct option is A, OMO. Next question, delivery of bank service to a customer at his office or home by using electronic technology is called dash. Option A, ATM, B, EFT, C, e-banking, and D, none of this. The correct option is C, e-banking. Next question, the amount is instantly credited to the account of the customer in dash. Option A, ATM, B, EFT, C, CDM, and D, none of this. The correct option is C, CDM. Next question, virtual banking is also called dash. A, internet banking, B, home banking, C, mobile banking, and D, none of this. The correct option is A, internet banking. Next question, plastic money is dash. Option A, debit card, B, credit card, C, ATM card, and D, none of this. The correct option is B, credit card. Next question, KCC is dash. Option A, Kisan credit card, B, Kisan customer card, C, Key credit card, and D, none of this. The correct option is A, Kisan credit card. Next question, NPA means dash. Option A, net performing asset, B, non-performing asset, C, net profit acceptance, and D, none of this. The correct option is B, non-performing asset. Next question, in case of banking dash, in case of dash banking, several banks join together to meet the credit needs of the large borrower. Option A, commercial banking, B, consortium banking, C, joint banking, and D, none of this. The correct option is B, consortium banking. Next question, example for foreign bank is dash. Option A, Central Bank, B, Citibank, C, Axis Bank, and D, all. The correct option is B, Citibank. Next question, Bank of Baroda is an example for dash. Option A, private sector bank, B, foreign bank, C, public sector bank, and D, none of this. The correct option is C, public sector bank. Next question, Federal Bank is a dash. Option A, private sector bank, option B, foreign bank, option C, public sector bank, and D, none of this. The correct option is A, private bank. Next question, IBRD is also known as dash. Option A, central bank, B, World Bank, C, Exim Bank, and D, all. The correct option is B, World Bank. Next question, State Financial Corporation is an example for dash. Option A, industrial bank, B, foreign bank, C, public sector bank, and D, all. The correct option is A, industrial bank. Next question, dash is the loan for the short term temporary financing for business firm. Option A, term loan, B, bridge loans, and C, cash credit, and D, all. The correct option is bridge loans. Next question, dash is the temporary financial arrangement by the bank to draw more than the amount standing to his credit. Option A, overdraft. B, bridge bank loans. C, cash credit. And D, none of this. The correct option is A, overdraft. Next question. Dash is based on the wise processing facility available with the bank computers. Option A, internet banking. B, telebanking. C, mobile banking. And D, all. The correct option is B, telebanking. Next question. Dash is the deliberate attempt by the RBI to influence the volume of available in the country. Option A, bank rate policy. B, open market operations. Qualitative credit control. And D, all. The correct option is B, open market operation. Next question. Dash insurance is a cash value policy that provides lifetime protection by paying a lump sum death benefits. Option A, endowment insurance. B, term insurance. C, whole life insurance. And D, life insurance. The correct option is D, life insurance. Next question. Dash insurance policy pay the assured sum of maturity of the policy or on the death of the insured, whichever is earlier. Option A, endowment insurance. B, term insurance. C, whole life insurance. And D, life insurance. The correct option is D, life insurance. Next question. Dash insurance cover loss or damage to a ship and in transit cargo over the waterways, land and air. The option: motor insurance, marine insurance. C, third party insurance. And D, fire insurance. The correct option is B. Next question. In the case of dash policy, the premium amount is payable periodically throughout the entire life of the insured. Option A, ordinal whole life policy. B, limited payment whole life policy. C, convertible policy. And D, double endowment policy. The correct option is A, ordinal whole life policy. Next question. General relationship between bankers and customer is dash. A, contractual relationship. B, trustee and beneficiary. C, right of agent. And D, none of this. The correct option is B, trustee and beneficiary. Next question. While accepting deposit, a banker becomes dash and the customer is dash. Option A, creditor and debtor. Option B, debtor and creditor. Option C, none of these. The correct option is B, debtor and creditor. Next question. There is no fixed place of repayment in dash. Option A, debt due from bank. B, ordinary commercial debt. C, special debt. And D, none of this. The correct option is B, ordinary commercial debt. Next question. Dash is a clause or condition added to a basic life insurance policy which provides additional benefit at the option of the proposed. Option A, nomination. B, exclusion. C, rider. And D, loans. The correct option is C, riders. Next question. Dash is the all rights, title and interest of the assigner in the policy is transferred to the assignee without reversion to the former. Option A, conditional assignment. B, acceptance. C, absolute assignment. And D, submission. The correct option is C. Next question. Dash is the all right title and interest of assigner in the policy are transferred to the assignee subject to certain condition. Option A conditional assignment, B acceptance, C absolute assignment, and D submission. The correct option is A conditional assignment. Next question. Dash is the process of writing off the policy before its actual maturity. Option A foreclosure, B surrender, C nomination, and D execution. The correct option is B surrender. Next question. Dash clauses gives the description of the nature, extent and scope of the cargo insurance. Option A cargo clause, B hull clause, C fetch clause, and D liability. The correct option is A cargo clause. Next question. Inch-mal clauses is also known as dash. Option A transit clause, B negligence clauses, C stay clause, and D warehouse clause. The correct option is B negligence clauses. Next question. Dash clause enables the insured in trying to save the subject matter of the insurance from any type of loss. Option A sue and labor, B running down clause, C continuation clause, and D memorandum clause. The correct option is A. Next question. Dash clause revives the insurer from paying small losses on perishable goods which are the subject matter of the insurance. Option A reinsurance clause, B waiver clause, C memorandum clause, and D sue clause. The correct option is C memorandum clause.